is where I'm motivated. Sure. Yo. Apples in the east, cause they got no cash for apples and don't fill my mind. Homie, I'm tucked from the ghetto, flying in my mind's little shady in the shadow. When I want with the success and I will never be mellow. Too much love in there when I'm hanging with my crew. Me without my tea seems like Shaggy with no Scooby-Doo. Can we give you some advice? Cause I'm listening to you. And after hearing that fella, I know it was time to move. Taking pen and writing down everything I got to months. Fuck a briefcase and a tie. This is where I'm monetized. Amigo, I know that I'm writing down. I won't apologize. My heroes about to begin. Motherfuckers, I know it's my time. Time to dominate. You can call me Eminem. If you're making problems, I will gladly eliminate. And if you're trying to ruin myself, I recommend you another way. I think you crash into machine. Please let me demonstrate. I was in my soul to the devil, but I couldn't be the snitch. When I'm a homo, someone never has started. How could I be such a bitch? Guess what, you go and get rich. I'm no time to get glitched, bitch. Live your life, destroy the bombs. Call me Houdini and fly like a witch. Also, dollar notorious big. I'm a road to fucking rich, shady slim. Pen in the head and a bottle of gin. If on knees, robbing like king. Writing just depressive things. Gambling my toss, call me a six. Alcohol drums like Aztec Greeks. Shooting this shit like Messi free kicks. I go a cappella, I don't need no fucking band. Do you check? I wanna hide in the bed. When I see what is mean, can anybody show them road? Cause it seems they lost, they are mad. I know I kick them hard, so they forget what is rap, no cap. No more familiar faces on YouTube page. Rappers are your blondie bobbies, cause I'm BCK and rest in peace and fuck this stage. There's no way to forget my name. Hey homie, I know this is where I'm motivated. Hey, let me do it, man. Yo. Got no friends in scene, I see just yellow parrots that are tryna creep my cheese, playing G's with toy barrels. I touch the mic and peace and let me say a little faggot. I wanna hear the beat, yo, kick it little camlet. The life is short and I've no time to feel the motivated. Like Petro with the gold and with the mic associated. Like it was yesterday when I was discriminated. Now I didn't care, even though I'm gonna be hated. I'm related with my heart and I'm only following with only thing in my life, which won't betray me and shit. My money on my mind, telling baby come and take me, but it is not the main reason why I'm singing. And I ain't no liar, listen to me. Money's not the main reason to live, and it will never be. It's just one of the things, of many of them, to motivate my heart, me and myself. Repeat this shit, homie.